In front of me is Xiaomi POCO X3, and let me show you how to activate the automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll down and reach developer options. If you cannot find developer options under additional settings, just take a look at our tutorial on how to activate developer mode in Xiaomi POCO. And then just click on developer options. Here you have to scroll down and make sure that this indicator is active. As you can see now, it has been turned on. So let me redo it. So once the indicator is active, automatic system updates are active. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it as it is. So this is it. This is how you can activate automatic system updates. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.